Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks to other sheets in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can create a clickable hyperlink that takes you directly to another sheet inside of Google Sheets, which is useful for creating navigation menus, dashboards, or even table of contents. Now for this example, I've got three sheets. I've got home, sales, and expenses. Now on the home sheet, I'm going to select, and then from here, click the cell where you want the hyperlink. So I'm going to put the hyperlink here in A1. Now in here, I'm going to type in some text that's going to say go to sales, and I'm going to make this bold. Now in A1 here, I'm going to click on Control and K, and it's going to say here search or paste a link. Now basically select the sheet you want to link to. So I want to link this to sales, and now that's going to link it to sales. Now if I hover over it, I can click onto it and it's going to take me to sales.